down on the bedroom floor when I can't take it. She just yells and slams the door to test my patience. We go back and forth to grab a glass and break it. Darling, when you lose your charm, you and I get lost in this on and on and on, where words just serve you wrong and the fights don't end. Nights devolve, the cops are called to rein it in, but I keep swinging on and on and on and on. Someone needs to take you out of this chronically dysfunctioning attachment that you have with me, yeah. She says she doesn't feel so well when she can't fake it. I know it's wrong to get so mad, but I can't shake it. And I could blame my lack of patience on my trauma, all these maladies, but you deserve some affirmation from a person who is less fucked up than me. On and on and on and on. I hope you're gone, but you're too forgiving. On and on, the path we're on is not a virtue. How do you keep falling for this? On and on and on, where words just serve you wrong and the fights don't end. Nights devolve, the cops are called to rein it in, but I keep swinging on and on and on and on. Someone needs to take you out of this chronically dysfunctioning attachment that you have with me, yeah. Label the fear pushing down to combat losing light. Gaining your ground, stoking your drive with some tricks for the mind. Stop fucking around. Calm down for the fixed trust dreams we have. Show me then, take me to the future. Show me when we a bonfire pits burning steady. I'm asking you, show me when all my blessings catch up to mine. Show me how to be right now. Baby, you're all that I want. That's not true, but you're all that I need. And in the sense that I mean it, it's perfect. My commitment's sincere by my deeds, and I am present when you think about my head. Do now you and me in the silence. Stupid shit that my brain would chase fools me and think that I'm trying to sacrifice, make the most of time, get things done, and then tell me you love me. With that I can make it to then. Ooh, that's the one. Spend my time moving opinions in the trunk when I could be loving you, yeah. That's a two for none. Trust yourself and never lose someone who puts your best interest over moves their own. And I will be great for you, yeah, but you're happy either way. Daydream, but the rent's still rising. Trade-offs to find the best way through. I stop calling every day. We'll do so much more when I catch a break. I'm not satisfied by getting the past. Give me everything and put me last where I belong. I have opportunities that don't come back. If there ever were a moment to be made instead, I just gotta ask, how many years should I keep building my past? Type it out so I can live while it lasts. Maybe my discussion topics get too abstract. I need to kill. I just mostly feel impatient. What would I rather do anyway? Not less purpose, just more space. Early morning, I can't corral you at all. Plus I'm broken, cracks the devil can feel through. Can I love you? I say you got nothing to blame. I don't know what I could tell you to balance the part of your brain where everything is gonna shell you out. I'll do my best right now. If you want me, I won't leave, yeah. I'm afraid of what's ahead. Based on what I've seen behind me, life's different now, but I'm so stressed. Think love confined inside all these heuristics that on me. Safety stays on my mind when it's not needed or wanted. I'll be just fine. Some things don't fully dull with passage of time. Hills we got over distorted my lens. Perspective distracting and I've been making dreams with you daily, plotting on my own ways to make sure you'll take me deep inside your bones when I'm played. Just wrap around my throat. That guy doesn't love you. I've been making dreams with you daily, plotting on my own. Maybe I'll make you save me the moment that I'm gone and I'll fade under the chest I wrote. And my inside shouldn't scare you anymore. I make ultimatums from a place of desperation. I send them as text to you because I never say them. Left me a message, now my calls don't go through. Yeah, you said you didn't want me, but still came in